Hello, dear viewers. What's up, and welcome back to Shohag Online English Tutorial Facebook page and YouTube channel. You know that I was somewhat segregated from you because I was so much busy taking the answer script of SH exam 2023, and now I'm free. And for this reason, I wanna share something with you. In recent days, the sun is giving so much heat, and the extremity of the heat can is unbearable for the common folk and common people. And for this reason, many people are becoming sick. And if you visit a lot of hospitals or private clinics, you will see a lot of people in different words, and you'll be rather able to hear or see that the child ward in Tangal medical hospitals and different private clinics, you will see a lot of child are suffering from different types of diseases like pneumonia and flu fever, and the old people are not free from such types of calamities and such types of disasters. And if this disasters continues, our country will face a great plight, and this kind of plight should be controlled by careful planning. And for this reason, I want to request you everybody that you can see a lot of trees that are harmful for our environment. We see and we know that the eucalyptus trees that are very harmful for our environment, and people are planting a lot of eucalyptus trees for a quick profit. And we should cut such types of trees, and we should create our environment friendly for us. And we should also cut carbon emission, and we should also minimize our different kinds of inhuman activities towards our environment. If we show something friendly environment, something so friendly behavior towards our environment, and our environment will show somewhat friendly attitude and manner towards us. And for this reason, we should show such types of good and human behavior towards our environment. And finally, I want to tell you another thing that I'm giving you a lot of videos, and I will continue myself. And for this reason, I want to request you that if my videos and if my lectures can somewhat swing your mind, then you will follow my page, and you will also subscribe my YouTube channel. And I will be right back taking a lot of videos from tomorrow. And today I will also give another classes on spoken English. And that's all for today. Keep the best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.